Meet Susan and Dave, typical small business owners. Susan uses Elevate's cloud-based business phone and communication system. Dave gets his service from the phone company and uses a traditional phone system. Let's ask them some basic questions about their phone system. What do you need to make a phone call? Seems like something's missing. Dave? And your phone system has web and video conferencing, integrated screen sharing, a mobile app that lets you take phone calls from anywhere? Great, you're all set up. Oh, good news. You just hired a new employee. Now what?
Hi, I need another phone in the phone line.
I need a new phone and phone line.
And what if you need support?
Oh, I call my representative and they help me right away.
Well, I call the phone company and I clear my schedule.
Now tell me, how much does all this cost? Does that include long distance? No hidden fees? One more question. What happens if the power goes out?
Well, the system is hosted in the cloud, so it automatically reroutes to our cell phones. Hi, you reached Susan's office. Hold on, please. Dave?
I'm okay.
Your business will love the reliability and cost saving of Elevate's business phone service and communication system. Talk to our experts to get a quote specific to your business needs. Call us today to learn more, including how to get a free business phone with every user added. Work better from wherever with Elevate, the all-in-one business communications solution. Voice, chat, meetings, files, contact center, and more.